Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your boy Carly Boy, and we're gonna talk about something today. I want to share this verse with you, mga kapatid. It can be found in the book of Psalm chapter 31 verse 24. And it says here, "Be strong and let your heart be courageous, all you who put hope in the Lord." Have you ever felt down? Have you ever feel frightened? Have you ever been scared because you don't know what tomorrow will bring? Have you ever felt those things? Naramdaman mo na ba yung takot, yung anxiety of it all, that all those problems, that all those sufferings will come, that all those financial situations will come into your life? Have you ever felt of that? But this is the beauty of Christianity. Our God, the Lord Jesus Christ, He knows what we're going through. He felt exactly what you are feeling right now. He sympathizes with us. We do not have a great high priest na hindi alam kung ano yung ating nararamdaman, but we have a great high priest who knows and who feels exactly how we feel, because in His human form, He experienced those problems, those suffering, and He even experienced death. So here's my advice sa iyo. Be of good courage. Hold fast and stand firm. The Lord will help you. He is a strong refuge and a sure help in times of need. Mga kapatid, He is faithful and will never fail. So put your hope in the Lord. And I say again, put your hope in the Lord. He will never fail. He is always there for you. God bless you. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Carly Boy, leaving you with a quote and a saying that God exists whether you like it or not. Please do follow my TikTok channel. Just click the follow button, and also go to my YouTube channel, Carl Marquez. You can subscribe there, and we do even have a page which is called Jesus Talks, so kindly follow that as well. God bless you.